The Minister of Power, Adebayo Adelabu, has responded to a petition alleging the diversion of 128 billion naira involving the ministry and NBET. The minister says the alleged shortfall predates the current administration and has pledged full cooperation with any legitimate probe. Minister Adelabu issued a statement after the non-governmental organization SERAP under the Attorney General Lateef Fagbemi to investigate the missing funds. On the stories we're monitoring, you can visit our website www.tvc.news.tv. You can also follow us on all our social media handles, Facebook, Instagram, and on X at TVC News NG. We also have updates for you on WhatsApp and Telegram at TVC News Nigeria. On YouTube, we are live at TVC News Nigeria. Thanks for watching and Happy New Year once again.